Learn with Jedi presents Cooking Verbs Part 1. Pour. She is pouring some tea into the cup. Mix. Mix the batter together until it is smooth. Make. She is making pizza. Dice. Dice the pumpkin into cubes. Toast. She toasts the bread. Wash. Be sure to wash the fruits before use. Weigh. Weigh the flour using a scale. Top. Topping the pizza with slice of cucumber. Stir. She is stirring the coffee. Squeeze. She is squeezing an orange. Steam. Steam rose from the boiling kettle. Sprinkle. Sprinkle the cucumber and onion with salt. Stack. She stacks the pancakes with strawberries. Dip. She dips the tea bag in hot water. Decorate. She is decorating the cake with almonds. Microwave. Microwave the food for 2 minutes. Refrigerate. Refrigerate the cake to keep it fresh. Freeze. Freeze the cool drinks. Slice. Be careful when you slice vegetables. Crush. She crushes the spices using a mortar. Thanks for watching this video. May God bless you.